Welcome to the farm. Like Omadel's had a farm. We'll see about those farm animals around here somewhere. Let's check. Wowie, well, pigs everywhere. These pigs. They call it hogs. Piggies are hogs around here. These hogs in my life. These hogs. They're kind of cool. Pigs are kind of cool. These pigs, they're just like call it hogs around here in this life. These cool hogs around town. You know these hogs, they call it the hogs. These hogs everywhere. They call the hogs or pigs. Just like them, these pigs in the farms around here somewhere. These pigs are everywhere in the farm. Well, I gotta see golden sheeps around here. Wait. A lot of sheeps around, goats around here. A lot of sheeps and goats around here. These sheeps and goats. They cut their fur out of their fur. Those goats and sheeps are kind of magnificent around here. And one goat has a coat on it, a pink one. Looks kind of cute and funny. Well, a lot of them pigs, a lot of sheeps in around here. These sheeps. And an army of sheeps are only there. This one coat on it. It's cool, isn't it? There's the other animal. Just you wait. The next one is the cattle and cows. You know, cows and cows are big animals I never seen. Let's check. Let's see about that. Wow, that's a great cow. Other cows too. But all these cows live hundreds of years. Like Western and cowboys are kind of cool. These cowboys, like cowboys. Why they call that a cow around here? These cows and cattle around here somewhere. They're all cows everywhere, like that. Look at those cows, lay down right here, like all those other colors too. And then there's the other one. Those are young cows. Young cows are adorable. They're just like tournament the bowl around here somewhere. Well, there's more too. Cows, they're everywhere. Cattle are here too. Well, people, thank you very much, okay, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks to everything animals in the farm, okay? Come in me on the Bernardino, Invincible, okay? Bye.